In primetime news this evening, 6 new positive cases of the coronavirus in Jamaica. To test or not to test? The question regarding tourists coming to Jamaica. And we speak to farm workers heading to the United States to work in the middle of a pandemic. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what has been your most challenging experience doing business online since COVID-19?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.